Wit videos. Wit videos.
Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about the importance of a household cleaning tool that often goes overlooked, the feather duster. Feather dusters have been around for centuries and they have been used to keep homes and workplaces clean. These dusters are made up of feathers from birds such as ostriches, chickens, and peacocks. They are designed to pick up dust and other particles that accumulate on surfaces. One of the main benefits of using a feather duster is that it is a quick and easy way to clean surfaces without having to use water or chemicals. Feather dusters can pick up dirt and dust particles in a matter of seconds. They are also great for reaching into small and hard to reach places that other cleaning tools can't get to. Another important benefit of using a feather duster is that it is gentle on delicate surfaces. Unlike other cleaning tools that can scratch or damage surfaces, feather dusters are soft and gentle, making them perfect for use on fragile items like picture frames, antiques, and delicate fabrics. Feather dusters are also eco-friendly. They don't require electricity or batteries to operate, and they can be reused multiple times before needing to be replaced. By using a feather duster instead of disposable cleaning wipes or paper towels, you can help reduce waste and do your part for the environment. In conclusion, feather dusters are an essential tool for keeping your home or workplace clean. They are quick, easy, gentle, and eco-friendly. By incorporating a feather duster into your cleaning routine, you can save time and money while also doing your part to help the environment. So, if you haven't already, go ahead and add a feather duster to your cleaning toolkit today. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching Wit Mix videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much, and God bless you more.
Wit videos. Wit videos.